All right, if you follow the channel, it's Corvette channel, but my buddy I work with, he has got a Ram Rebel. He did an intake a few weeks ago, and he got his exhaust in today. So I'm gonna go help him with that. We'll do before and after, and any lessons learned doing it. There's not a lot of videos on this exhaust, so if you need a video to install it, follow this one. Had to stop at Lowe's real quick, get some Sawzall blades. If you don't know, for the Rams, I guess I don't know what generation, I'm not a Ram guy. Unless you can get the car all the way up off the ground on a lift, you gotta cut the exhaust off. So, which is whatever, we're gonna sacrifice the OE exhaust. We got rain coming in, so hopefully we can beat it. Probably not, probably gonna get soaked, but it'll be fun. All right, see you then. All right, well, I'm here, we're about to start. This is the Steelworks setup. This is Andrew again. Hi, Andrew.
What's up, guys?
Steelworks. Oh, yep, there's the rain. It seems pretty straightforward. It's interesting because it comes out of the headers, goes into a single pipe, and the back into looks like 3-inch pipes all the way to the back. So, yeah, I'm gonna check this radar, and then we'll do a before. Now we'll do a before sound, of course. Quick little install, any hiccups we had, and then an after, and then we'll go to that little place under the bridge.
Yep.
We'll start making out.
I mean, it's like the entire interstate.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
All right, so let's figure out this weather. All right, here we go. Before. You could have started it remotely.
Huh?
You could have done it remotely.
I have almost pump it a couple times.
Okay. I mean, honestly, that doesn't sound too bad stock, honestly. All right, old exhaust is off. If you have a Ram, just chop the damn thing up. It's not worth the OE, piece of shit. And that was so much easier. The only hiccup we had, I could have done this in 5 minutes, was the 5 hangers. Is a pry bar. There's a special tool. I recommend using that. It'll save you so much time. But yeah, so far, super easy. Just the hangers are the boner. All right, here's a no muffler startup. Oh, that's not as obnoxious as I thought it'd be.
I thought it was gonna be way louder.
So did I. That's very mellow. We should just straight pipe it, leave it like that.
Why do we even need?
Yeah, go
exhaust?
give it some hits. Yeah, exhausts are stupid.
Overrated and
Yeah,
expensive.
this actually sounds like an exhaust you'd buy.
I can actually just return
This is dumb, yeah. Oh, there it is. There it is.
it.
That sounds good.
Yeah, we're leaving it.
All right, we're wrapped up. Took about 2.5 hours. We had a lot of rain that came in and kind of slowed us down. One thing you'll notice with this kit, Steelworks, the tips do stick out pretty far. The driver's side is about almost 1/2 inch more than the passenger side. So we'll remedy that another day, but everything's done. Putting all the clamps on, you're gonna need an impact. It needs a lot of foot-pounds to really clamp it down. But not a terrible job, especially if he saws all the old one off, makes it super easy. So we're gonna get our first startup here in a second. All right, here we go. Hi, Danielle. Here's Danielle's channel. Okay. Oh, that sounds good.
That didn't sound like the same vehicle.
No, that sounds really good. Give it some pops. Are you scared? Is it too loud? It almost sounds louder than when there was nothing on it.
Yeah. It's locked.
You need the keys, Andrew. They're right here. That sounds really good. Is that too loud? Too much? You good? I like it.
I have sex with it.
All right, good. All right, so
So
we're
what I did was I gave
a little bit.
I gave gas as if I was driving normal.
Okay.
And that was when it sounded acceptable.
Okay.
And all the extra was me is I'm racing somebody.
Gotcha.
I'm never gonna drive that way. That
Yeah.
kind of thing.
All right, here's what, let's get cleaned up. We're fucking disgusting.
Yeah.
We'll do it in cabin drive and then fly by to the bridge. Sound good?
Yep.
Cool. All right, we've changed clothes. We're gross. We're good to go. The only thing is the tips are a little weird. The kit's, it's a very high quality kit. I will say this. Just getting the tips just right. One's like a 1/2 inch further out. One's a little bit low. It'll drive you insane, but we got to fix for that. Andrew's gonna get some metal hose clamps. You'll never see them. support it. Anyways, let's see how it sounds. That's what we care about, right? And we're off. Yeah, your cabin was much quieter before.
You couldn't hear anything.
Anything. It's just really good, generic vanilla cream.
Yeah, like
If you have a Kroger, it's
it's a variety pack.
Yeah, that makes sense why you had almost. Okay, we're going on our underpass right here. We'll do in the cabin on it, and then I'll get out. We'll do a flyby, and that'll be it. Any questions on the install? Let me know. We didn't really film too much of it. It's fucking hot.
It is so hot.
Here we go. It's not bad. There's no drone.
Not I expected louder, but it doesn't really matter because it's absolutely incredible compared to what it was.
Yeah.
Oh wait, all right. So yeah, we're gonna let you out.
Yep, just let me out over there, and I'll walk. And then
Also, you won't hear much of that on the video. I've seen people do review videos such as this one, and you can hear it uptick. Like I'm sure that in this video that will reflect.
Yeah.
But what you're about to record outside the vehicle is going to sound 30 times louder.
Yes, you probably saw just the rev he did in front of his house, and we got it done. It was incredible. It sounded almost like straight piped, which was pretty
It did.
nuts. All right, we're gonna do a flyby. Yeah, that sounds pretty mean. Well, hopefully the camera did it justice. It sounds amazing. I love it. Like, I'm not a truck guy, but it's always fun to work on cars. So, if you need any questions about the install, just ask me. It's pretty straightforward, though. All right, guys, quick, short little video. I'll catch you guys next time. Work out.